Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get only girls on OmeTV. So normally when you press start on OmeTV, you'll get a mix of both guys and girls. But in this video, I'll show you how to change that and get just girls. Let's get started. First, open a new tab and search for video chat extension. Click on the first link that says video chat extension IP locator for Omegle. And once you're on the Chrome Web Store page, click Add to Chrome, then tap Add Extension. After that, a new tab will open. And that tab, click on Open in Picture in a new tab. And then click Picture in Picture again. Now go back to your OmeTV tab. In the Video Chat Extension Picture in Picture tab, go to Settings and scroll down. And then you'll see a feature called Gender Recognition. In here, you can choose either skip to men or skip to women. This option is usually found just above the blacklist section, so keep in mind this feature might not be available anymore. Some users say it was removed, but if you'll see it, just tap skip to men and extension will automatically skip guys, so you'll only see girls on your screen. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.